Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy pal London Hawthorne, and I'm doing several unboxings today. I'm getting caught up because, boy howdy, I'm a little behind on it. This is an Amazon Prime box. I'm not exactly sure what's in it, but I'm sure there's some goodies. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or any of the products herein, but I would love to be. If you want to help support my channel, feel free to hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button. After this is over, check out some of my other hundreds and hundreds of unboxings. Might be like over 1,000 now, I don't know. But got some of this stuff right here. So I subscribe and save to a lot of things. I just canceled my subscription for this. I am not the biggest fan of it. It's not gross or anything, but there's a lot of different jerky out there, and you know, it's okay. This is Jack's Link's AM breakfast sausage, hot and spicy. It's not, you know, it's okay. It doesn't tickle my fancy like a lot of the other ones, which you're about to find out some more of. So I've got right here Jack's Link's Tender Cut Prime Rib. This is delicious. I can't get enough of this. Spoiler alert. Maybe I'll do a taste test video. What do you think? I got another one. Delicious. There's some carbs in them, but I try and live a low carb, low sugar life, and I've lost over 200 pounds and counting, and part of it is eating delicious things like jerky. Got some teriyaki jerky right here. I love it. What a Got another one right here. I kind of went a little crazy. Got, you know, another, yeah, just, yeah. Got some peppered, oh, another great one. Just perfect amount of heat. And then last of the jerkies, I got 2 boxes of these beef sticks. It says a great snack for lunchbox, home and work. Or you can sneak these into the movie theater, barring if the movie theater is still open. Yeah, I just love jerky. They're low carb, low sugar, just a healthy snack. Last but not least for this video is some Premier Protein shakes. So I've done a lot of research, trial and error, trying to find low carb, low sugar protein shakes that actually taste good. You can find, you know, low carb, you can find no sugar protein powders and shakes, but some are just disgusting. These fit my needs. They're like 3 grams of carbs if you know, net carbs, 160 calories, total fat 3 grams, sugar is 1 gram. They're delicious. Caramel, however you want to call it, but I do the subscribe and save. You know, I'm all about a deal. If you have a recommendation for a protein shake, for a jerky that I should try, leave a comment below. Let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to find it and let you know what I think. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. I love that. Slide up in my DMs if you have a product you want me to do. You know, you want to send me some product. You can also, if you like cool t-shirts, go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. That's onceuponatea.net or rippedapparel.com. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code, and you're going to save like 10% off your purchase. There's a lot of cool shirts on those websites, and I get a couple bucks in credit, so it all adds up in the long run. So got some jerky, got some good protein shakes, and keep going. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and have a great one. Be safe out there.